In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to send a document to multiple signers using Docusign. Whether you're brand new to the platform or you've used it before and just want a clear process, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything from logging in to adding each recipient correctly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Docusign website. This is where you'll set up and manage everything, so make sure you're on the official homepage. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the login button. Go ahead and sign in using your Docusign credentials. If you're having trouble logging in, remember that Docusign provides quick options to reset your password or recover your account, so you won't get stuck here for long. After a successful login, you'll be taken to the main Docusign dashboard. Think of this as your control panel. Here you can start a new document, check agreements that are already in progress, and view the ones you've completed. Since we're working on sending a document to multiple signers, our next step is to begin a new workflow. Look for the Start button and click it. This opens the setup process for your new document. Once you're inside the setup area, you'll begin adding your recipients. This is one of the most important steps because every signer must be listed correctly to avoid delays. Click on Add Recipient and enter the first signer's name and email address. Take a second to double check spelling and details because an incorrect email can prevent someone from receiving the document. After adding the first signer, look for the option to add multiple recipients. Docusign makes this extremely simple. Just continue entering each name and email address one by one until everyone who needs to sign is included. This feature is especially helpful for team agreements, business contracts, or any situation where several people need to sign the same file. You can also choose the signing order if needed, which allows you to control who signs first and who receives the document next. Once all your recipients are added, you can upload the document you want signed and move into the editor. This is where you place signature fields, date fields, or any other areas that your signers need to complete. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct person so there's no confusion during the signing process. Taking a moment to review this step ensures everything is clear and accurate before you send the document out. After your fields are placed and everything looks good, click the Send button. Docusign will immediately deliver the document to your recipients in the order you've set. Each signer will receive an email with instructions, and you'll be able to track their progress right from your dashboard. This makes it easy to follow up with anyone who hasn't signed yet and stay organized throughout the entire process. And that's all it takes. Sending documents to multiple signers with Docusign is quick, secure, and incredibly efficient once you know the steps. With this method, you can handle agreements for personal use, business projects, or team collaborations without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides.